What's up, guys? Welcome to Pre. It's your girl with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to come over to everything Teash, okay? And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Jennifer Dawta, JenniferDawta. It's up and it's stuff over there. And on TikTok. Hello, somebody. All right, so today I have a vanity. I've had it for over a month. I've been trying to put it up so that I can have my sit down, my updates, everything. I want to do everything in my vanity with some light. I'm tired of trying to move around, trying to find some light. It's not going to work out for me, okay? So we're going to do an unboxing of my vanity, and we're going to put the vanity together because it's been snowing. It snowed today. I would show you guys, but it kind of... Anyways, it's been melting. That's all that y'all need to know. So this is a good time for me to sit down and do my unboxing and then put my vanity together. So let's do this thing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to come over to everything Teash. So I'm thinking about keeping it here. I would move my mirror and probably put it over there. I don't know where I'm putting it yet because, well, I don't know where I put my mirror, but I do think I want my vanity here. I already moved my bed over, so it can't go in that corner, but it can go in front of my bed, and you guys always get that illusion, or you always will see the background of my bed. But I don't think I want to do that because it's too close for comfort. Here I have all my space, but the natural lighting is that way, coming this way, but the vanity comes with lights, right? So I think right here is gonna be fine for the vanity, even if this, I don't know. Let's do it. All right. Oh, and I will show you guys what vanity this is. It's in my Amazon storefront. I should have said that in the beginning. It's in my Amazon storefront. It's the white one. It was between the white one or the black one. I'm kidding you, I was never gonna get the black one. But it doesn't come with a chair. That's okay because I'm gonna just buy one. Oh, there are a lot of pieces. Okay. So we're gonna be Bob the Builder. That's okay.
This is music.
Ooh. This is the mirror. I don't know if I expected it to be bigger than this. Oh, yeah, you look good. I wrapped my hair up. I got on this Jamaican shirt like I'm about to go play some soccer. Probably gonna be hot in this too, but it's a lot of pieces, right? It's a lot. And I hope I don't need a screwdriver because Lord knows I don't have one. Ooh, the lights. So it's asking me for this little buzz thing that I don't have, a screwdriver, another screwdriver that I don't have. All right, we're back. So I ran to Walmart. I got this thing, the buzz thingy. So now we're gonna get this thing started. Now it's time for my mirror to go in the middle, and I have my two side pieces, so let's see. So like this, and then I put it in there like this. And then these little things are gonna go underneath here. My vanity. I officially have my vanity. I'm so happy. I've been wanting this. I wish it came with a seat, but it does not. So now I just have to order a seat and order a chair that has back support, because I will not be sitting over here trying to get scoliosis. So I'm gonna be using this black chair for a little while until I find a white chair or turquoise, or I'll give it a pop of color, even yellow, mustard yellow, or royal blue. Yeah, I'm gonna probably get a chair that has color right here. Maybe I was thinking about just white, if it's leather, if the white is leather, or cream leather. But other than that, I can give it a pop of color, and I think I am. And I'm gonna personalize it. I think I'm gonna give it some color or something. I don't know. Okay, it's done. I updated it. So I put this, I don't know what it is. This paper I got from Dollar Tree down because I didn't like my makeup being all over the white. It was irritating me. I got this smaller mirror, but I'm gonna get rid of it and get one that can tilt so I can look at my eyelashes. I have some sprays. My jewelry, I do have a jewelry box coming as well. I haven't really organized what's going to be in here yet, but I did get a chair. This is the chair I wanted. Look at it. I love it. And then over here I just have some things. So yeah, that's what my vanity is looking like right now. And I love it. I feel like since having this vanity, everything has been so easy. I've been able to just get on here and do my meetings. I've been able to just be still while I'm doing my makeup. I love it. And I do like this paper that I put down. I'm not gonna put them on all of the drawers. No, I just cannot stand to see my makeup on here, because when you wipe it, it smudges. Ugh. So yeah, it's finished product. It's been a couple weeks, or at least a month now since it's been up. So that's what I'm working with so far. So far, so good.